Step into Tanner Ranch in Cedar Park, Texas, the latest testament to Ash Creek Homes' craftsmanship. We're not talking cookie-cutter houses here. This is where top-notch building materials meet the kind of handiwork that would make your granddad nod in approval. These homes are built to last, with a nod to the Texas farmhouse design, reimagined with a sleek, contemporary edge. But here's the clincher for those of you hunting for that sweet spot of luxury and practicality. These homes are tailor-made for the downsizer, the empty nester looking to trade in the old family spread for something more fitting. Without skimping on quality, it's about scaling down on upkeep, not standards. Imagine having the freedom of a turnkey property, zero lawn care on your part, all thanks to full lawn care maintenance included in the HOA. More time for what matters, less time on chores. Tanner Ranch is surrounded by neighborhoods brimming with young families. It's a place that knows no age. Whether you're fresh to the empty nest vibe or you've got a young clan in tow, there's a floor plan here that hits the mark. With options ranging from 3-bed, 2-bath homes, complete with office space, to larger 3-bed, 3-bath setups, there's a blueprint for every phase of life. Nestled conveniently between New Hope Drive, Lakeline Boulevard, and Anderson Mill Road, Tanner Ranch offers easy access to the necessities and niceties of life. It's all within reach. These aren't just homes. They are your future legacies of comfort and ease, smartly priced in the high 600s. And if you're quick on the draw, you can snag a handsome buyer incentive on certain floor plans. But act swiftly because these deals are as changeable as the Texas sky. Tanner Ranch is the ideal spot for those ready to simplify without compromise and for forward-thinking individuals aiming to put down roots in a thriving community. But remember, in a place this coveted, hesitation is not an option. So if you're ready to match up with a home that's as serious about quality as you are about living well, drop me a line and let's schedule a private viewing. Whether you're looking to downsize without compromise or you're after a place that will grow with your family, I've got the keys to your future home. Contact me and take the first step toward planting your flag in a place where life's next chapter is waiting to unfold in style. Tanner Ranch isn't just a smart move, it's your next great adventure. Let's get you home.
We were just lovers, sitting in a car, listening to plot, falling for each other. Picking out skies, feeling super child, distant Donna Glover. It's called from my mother. Like where you are tonight, gonna lullaby. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need a light to see you shine. It's your you slow down time in your clouded night. She's got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light, I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. We were just lovers, sitting in a car, listening to plot, falling for each other. Picking out the skies, feeling super childish in a Donna Glover. It's called for my mother. Like why you out tonight, gonna lullaby. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night.